everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the difference between delete, drop and truncate command. So let's get started. Many times in the interviews they will ask you what is the difference between delete, drop and truncate. So listen very carefully. Let's understand what is the difference now. Okay. I'm going to take help of employee table which is present in my Coderz database. You can check it out here, Coderz database. In this, I have an employee table. Okay, understood. In this employee table, we have 3 records over here. Okay. So the first command which I'm going to use on this employee table is delete. Before that, I will set the auto commit to 0. About auto commit, we already have discussed in our previous video. Okay. So whatever that auto saving is there, we have disabled it. So automatically the transaction, the queries won't be saved, guys. Okay. Okay. Understood. Now, after setting this auto commit to 0, I'm going to use delete command. See, delete from employee. Only this much I have written. Delete from employee table. I have not given the where condition, guys. Wherever employee name is Akash or wherever employee ID is 103. So I don't have any condition. Then what will happen if I write only delete from employee? That's all. So it will delete all records which are present in your employee table. What it does? Deletes all records of employee table. It deletes all records for your employee table. Okay. So let me execute this. Carefully observe, guys. Before I execute this, I will use commit command. See, commit means what in all the transaction I did, means set the auto commit to 0, select everything from employee, or before that, let's say I would have did some insertion operation. So I'm going to save all the commands. Okay, commit, changes committed. After commit, look very carefully. After commit, I'm going to delete all records from my employee table. See, before commit, if I check the employee table, how many records I have? 3 records I have. Correct, right? So I'm going to use this delete command after commit. So I will execute this. Can you check here? Delete command executed. Now let's check how many rows got deleted. All rows got deleted from employee table. So let's say by mistake, I executed this command, delete command, without where condition. By mistake. Chances are there, right? Someone forget to give the condition. See, I just wanted to delete Pooja's record. So wherever employee name is equal to Pooja, this I forget to write. I just wrote delete from employee. So what it does? It will delete all records from employee table. So now what to do? See, simply you can go with rollback. Undo the transactions. So now I'm going to save this, select this, execute this, rollback done. Rollback will take the transaction to the last commit statement. So whatever happened before commit, your transaction will be reset over there. After commit, whatever you did, everything it will undo. So now after rollback, if I check my employee table, look over here. See, all my data, I got it back into my table. So delete command, if you use on your table, you can roll back the transactions. That's all, guys. And what delete command does? Delete command is used to delete specific row from your table. But if you won't give the condition, delete will delete all records from your table. Okay. What is the purpose of delete? Delete is used to delete specific record from your table. Wherever name is this, wherever ID is equal to this. So only those records you pick and delete it. And if you won't give the condition, it will delete all records from the table. And on delete, can we use rollback, guys? Yes. Rollback will take the control to the last commit statement and it will undo the transactions. Okay, understood. So this is all about delete. Now let's discuss about the drop command. Sorry, first I will take truncate command, guys. Okay. So I'm going to delete everything this about delete. Not required. So select everything from employee. These records are present in my employee table. Okay. So set auto commit to 0. Now I will commit the transaction. So whatever we did until now, everything I have saved. Okay. After commit, I am going to use truncate. Truncate table employee. So truncate command won't delete the structure. It will keep the structure of the table as it is. See, if I select everything from the table, it will delete all records. So delete from table name or truncate table name. Both the commands delete all records from the table. See, if I write truncate table name, it is deleting all the records from my table. This. Okay. But later, let's say I want to roll back. I'll just write roll back. Give me all records back into my table. So I'll just execute this. See, rollback is done. Rollback will take the control to the last commit statement. After commit, you have used a truncate, right? So it should undo the truncate transaction. But if I select everything from employee table, still I don't have any record in employee. So what is the conclusion? Yes, you can delete all records from the table using truncate, but you cannot roll back. By using delete command, if you delete all records, you can roll back, guys, if you want to undo the changes. But in case of truncate, you cannot roll back the changes. And truncate is used to delete all records from the table, not specific record. For example, you cannot tell truncate table name where condition we cannot give in truncate, guys. So specific records we cannot delete from truncate. All records only we have to delete from the truncate. Okay. Okay. Understood. So what truncate does? Truncate also deletes all the records from the table, but it will keep the structure as it is. See, structure is still there, guys. You can still insert the records in this structure. Okay. On the other side, we have something called as drop command also. See here, drop table employee. So you just check it out here, guys. Employee table is present currently. As soon as I execute drop command, can you see employee table? There is no employee table. So drop command will delete your structure plus data, everything from the database. It will delete that complete object from our database, guys. So this is the difference between your delete, drop and truncate. And drop also you cannot roll back, guys. If you tell, okay, roll back and give my table as it is over here, undo the transaction. Not possible, guys. Drop, you cannot roll back. So what is the summary? Let's write the summary over here. First, we have discussed about delete. What delete does? Used to delete specific record from table. Okay, it is used to delete specific record from the table. For example, here I'll just give the example, guys, or I'll just type it over here. Okay. So select, let's say I want, sorry, not select, delete from employee wherever employee name is equal to, I'll just write, let's say, Ankit. So wherever employee name is Ankit, it will delete only that record. Can I undo this transaction? Yes, we can roll back. We can undo this transaction. So delete is used to delete the specific record from a table. One more use case, delete is also used to delete all records from table. Example, if I write delete from employee, what delete from employee does? What in all the records are present in employee, it will delete all of them. Okay, it will delete all of them. Okay. And can we undo this transaction? Yes, we can undo the transaction. We can roll back the transactions of delete. On the other side, what is the use of truncate? Truncate deletes all records from table by keeping structure as it is. It won't touch the structure, guys. Structure will be as it is. Okay. So what is the syntax? Truncate table, table name. So this will delete all the records from your table. Truncate. Okay. Okay. What about the drop? Deletes all records and structure of the table. Drop will delete all records and the structure of the table. Everything, complete object, it will delete from the table. So how we have to write the command? Drop table. What is the table name? Employee. That's all. So this will delete all the records from our table, guys. Okay. So the notes I have given over here, you can go through it. What drop does, what delete does, and what truncate does. So in the interviews, I hope now clearly you can explain. Delete can delete the specific rows. Delete can delete all the rows also if condition is missing. We can use the rollback on delete command. Drop will delete the all records plus the structure, complete object from the database, and we cannot roll back also. Truncate will delete all the records by keeping the structure as it is. So we cannot roll back the truncate command as well. So if we try to connect it into the real world example, consider this home is your table, guys. Inside a table, each one of us is one record. So what truncate does? Truncate will delete us. It will keep our home as it is, guys. Home means table. Structure will be as it is. It will delete just the records, means us. What drop will do? Drop will delete us also and the complete home also. Your structure and your record, everything it will delete. And what delete does? Let's say from our home, I want to delete only specific person. Not all people. Specific person. Person means specific record, guys. Okay. So specific record we can pick and we can delete. So I hope I am completely clear with the difference, guys. So do revise it, execute it practically once. Okay. Read the answer twice or thrice. So very easily, very confidently you can explain in the interviews as well. So this is all about this video, guys. We'll meet in the next video with the new concepts of functions. Okay. Until then, take care all of you and have a good day to all. Thank you, everyone.